So where do you start when you've got a big book and you want to add elements into it? This is my own planner junk journal, and I've had a few comments, how am I going to decorate it? So here we go, this is it. Been looking through one of my old magazines and just pulled out some pictures, and you can see I've just cut it away because you don't want to sit and watch me do that. So you can either watch me sitting gluing and flicking through the magazine, or you can watch me gluing. Whichever one takes your fancy. So I'm going to cover this, that this is me, this is Virgo, and that nicely covers up that side, and I'm just basically going to be gluing. So I've cut out all my images that I'd like, and I've just basically cut out pictures of things I like. Outdoors, a lot of that. I've got some more bits here. Cup of tea, always going to be good. Funky clock. So it's just a case now of just putting them on the pages. So to me, gluing is just a form of relaxation. And I just basically use images that I like and just stick them down. And that's all you need to do. There's nothing magical. There's no rules. You just glue down things you like. Sometimes I make up stories, but today I'm not. So sorry for those of you who like my stories. If you want me to do a story next time, then just leave me a comment underneath and we'll have a look and see if we can do that. But I just want to cover up the blank space. So what have I been up to? Dog training. We've been doing a lot of dog training still. He's really coming on. We met some friends at the weekend who said he's like a different dog. He's so much more relaxed. So that gave us hope and a bit of thank goodness that other people can see the improvement, because, you know, that's what it's all about, isn't it? Giving him a better relaxing time instead of being on his edge all the time. So we're glad that's happening. We managed to go to a pub. We sat outside in the garden because it was quite nice, and we had a drink, and he actually lay down in the sun. We couldn't believe it. He's never done that before. So absolutely chuffed to pieces that he's relaxed enough to do that. We have a really good dog trainer. If anybody lives in the Bournemouth area, I can recommend this trainer for any type of reactive dog or dogs that don't settle. So just drop me a comment and or an email, and I'll let you know. As you can see, my page is just coming on. No plan. Oh, I quite like that over there. Oh, do I? And this is my week. No, I'm swapping to another page now. Look at that. That will just cover that word. And that's how I go. I might not do one page at a time. I will flick through the book. Although it did look good on the black. Okay, we're going to need some more pictures. So I'm going to grab this box. More cutouts. These ones I've done previously. And I'm just going to see if there's anything I can put up in that little corner. Well, not a corner, but little space. That looks quite cool, but I haven't got enough room for that. That may go on another page yet. Okay, so what are we going to put on there? Dig deep, dig deep. Ooh. Ooh, I like that. Let's see, does it fit? It does. Perfect, it's going on. Definitely does not match the colour scheme. And that doesn't matter. It's my journal. I can do what I like in my journal. There we go, it's on. So I've just got one more little space and I'm thinking I might get my words out in a minute. I'm putting a spoon on the cup. I've found some stuff. I could put him on. He's sort of cool. That's too big. Used to have a Land Rover like that when I was little. My dad had one. And I really want to put this on, but that's just going to cover everything up. Okay. So this is basically me thinking now. You are watching me think. What if? Okay. Let's cut that out, because what if you just glue without thinking? What if you take no notice of what everybody else says you should do and just glue what you want to do? Quite like it there. Or down there that you can't see because it's gone off. It's gone off the video. So I'm putting it down there, but you know what it says? It's down there. And I think I should have a hello, because this is the first page of the book. But then I found that, which fits even better. Hello will go in somewhere in these first few pages. Looks like it's going to be another fine day. Hello. I could put hello with the telephone. That would make sense. Lionel Richie song. I'm not singing. I'm not singing. Oh, that looks quite cool up there. And the telephone, Carol, and the telephone. I don't do voiceovers very often, and it's very strange seeing me do something and thinking, why didn't I see that? I should have seen hello and telephone, and I didn't at the time. It's very strange. It's very strange doing voiceovers. I don't know if I'm going to do them again. It just didn't click at all, did it? But I'm going to put this on here because the 13th is the day I start a lot of phone calls at work. I have to arrange for approximately 900 housebound patients to have their vaccinations. And I have to phone every single one of them. And usually they don't answer the first time. So I'm phoning them again and again. Yeah, it takes up a lot of time. So I'm really looking forward to that. And that's all my life is going to be for the next probably 5 weeks. So if my videos are slightly shorter or they're a bit haphazard, that will be why. So I'm just telling you in advance. It's not because I don't want to film them, it's because I am absolutely drained. Okay, now I'm just going through my book and sticking things down because why not? Just chilling and sticking. Now, I have an idea for there. This is my little basket that I take downstairs if I want to do any sort of journaling in front of the TV, and I knew I had this old washi in there. Had this for years. It probably doesn't even stick anymore, but I'm just thinking black and white might look quite nice covering up this space. It'll have to be glued. It's got hardly any sticky on it. Use your washi tapes, ladies. Use your washi tapes. They do not last. Don't hoard them for special occasions. Use them. You'll only regret it when you go to use them and a little tiny bit peels off and you can't pull a length off. Don't say I didn't warn you. I know it's hard to use the really nice stuff, but do it. Just do it. And you'll look at your piece afterwards and go, I'm really glad I used that there. It looks really cool. So I am gluing as I go off to the side. I've got a book page I'm gluing my pieces down on. And I'm ever so sorry that this is not in frame on the edge. I'm just putting some more bits wherever I can put them, basically. So that's my little bit of gluing for this afternoon. Nice and relaxing. Using up all my scraps. And it's just fun. Just have fun. Just glue stuff down. I'm just gluing. I'm gluing. I'm going to put some more down here now. I could get carried away with washi. It's got to be used up. So I've got little bits coming off now. This is because I think it's just lost its glue. And they just don't work very well. Look at this one all tangled up. Now, I think I'm going to finish this off and show you a photo at the end of the whole spread that you can't see because I'm not very good at videoing, obviously, after 5 years. So where am I going to put it? Oh, come on, stop overthinking. There we go. No overthinking allowed. And just to finish off, just show you a photo of my 2 first pages. Let me know what you think. Bye for now.